Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a combination of all things great: cleaning, cooking, and shopping. And I'm also going to be sharing a little bit of my family time with you guys today in this video. It is Sunday evening over here at Mighty Mama's house. I am cleaning up the mess from the weekend, and I am cooking my chili recipe. So if you need this chili recipe for dinner tonight, make sure you watch through to the end. I will be sharing with you all the steps for that. And if you need some cleaning motivation, then keep on watching. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I truly appreciate you guys coming here. Thank you so much.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too
You're trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool. So here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too Trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh inside. Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this. I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars. Or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars. Under the stars. Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do. Baby, while we're
Okay guys, so I just wanted to give you a really quick grocery haul. This is the Quaker instant oatmeal. My son loves these, my husband, we all just really love them. So good. They got little chunks of dried apples in them, and so they're just really, really good. Natural flavors, and it's just a quick breakfast, you know, to get the kids off to school, and even for myself when I am, you know, just needing a quick meal, taking care of Jack. Also, oatmeal is really good for helping to produce more lactation for nursing, so that helps me because I am still nursing. Here are the frosted mini wheats. I like to eat these dry in the morning, so that helps me get my fiber in. Plus, there's a little sweet side. I like my sweets with my coffee because I don't use a lot of sugar with my coffee, so it's always nice to have a little sweet taste.
Now, we love these El Milagro chips. They're the best. They're the non-GMO, and just love these corn chips. And we always buy Donkey brand salsa, the mild. I just love it. So good. It's like real authentic tasting salsa. It's not like the kind with just the chunks of tomatoes in it and green peppers, if you know what I mean. And then just got a bunch of bananas here. I like to get them green because we don't like them when they're super, super ripe. So once these start turning yellow, we'll eat them. So I always buy them green. And then I got these little bites by Enterman's. Kids love these blueberry muffins. Just a quick little school snack for Kendall or after school snack. I also bought the Bush's baked beans, original and homestyle. We love these as a side with hamburgers or hot dogs. It's just super quick and easy. I pop it in the microwave in a bowl, and it's a good protein side. And then I bought these sugar cones because we always like ice cream for dessert in our house. It's a staple. So just bought those. They were on sale. Just bought these Tristet roasted garlic flavored. They are so good. If you just put like a piece of provolone cheese and even just some avocado on it, oh, it's so good. Or you can dip them in hummus, however you like, but even by themselves, they're so tasty. And I got a gallon of milk. So that wraps it up for my grocery haul. And I am actually just about done with the chili. Whoop. Heated up the camera there a little bit. Just about done with the chili. It's bubbling, as you see, so I really need to stir it up here. Woo. I have to turn this down a little bit.
Okay, so now for my super simple but very delicious chili recipe. So to begin, you want to turn your pot on medium high. Then you're going to add a teaspoon of olive oil, and then you're going to add your thinly chopped yellow onion. I do a half of an onion. You can always add more if that's what you like. Once your onion becomes heated and transparent, you can go ahead and add your ground meat. Now, typically my recipe calls for ground beef, but I did not find the brand that I usually buy at the store, so I opted for ground turkey. And in my opinion, it tastes just the same, and it is a healthier option. So as you can see, I'm like digging into the meat right now. I like to grind out the factory lines. I just think those squiggly factory lines are so gross. So go ahead and like grind it up really good so that the meat will cook evenly through. And I like to just, get it in a nice flat layer and let it cook on medium high. Then I'm going to add my season, and what I use is the McCormick Organics chili seasoning mix. So I'll go ahead and I'll sprinkle that over the top layer of the meat, and then I'll mix it up really good and just let your meat cook all the way through before adding any other ingredients. So now that the meat is cooking up, you're going to go ahead and add your other ingredients. What I use is 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and 3 cans of dark red kidney beans. I use the 32-ounce size. Those are like the bigger size cans that you see, compared to the standard size. I believe the standard size is 16 ounces. So you want to go ahead and get the larger cans. And then I will make sure to drain all the juice out of the beans before adding it to the pot. So now it's time to add all the ingredients to the pot. First, I add crushed tomatoes on top of the meat, and then I'll mix it up really good before adding the beans. Go ahead then and add all the beans, and then you can top it off with another can of crushed tomatoes. And then I will add the remaining 2 seasoned packets. And then I just mix it all together really good. Lower your heat to a low setting and then cover it with a lid and just let it cook for about a half an hour. If you're in a hurry like I was this night and need dinner on the table quick, half hour does the trick because your meat is already cooked all the way through. Obviously, if you let it cook longer, then it's going to taste better because all the seasons get to marinate. But in a pinch, if you need a quick meal, a half hour does the trick. So now while the chili is finishing up cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put away all my groceries. and then I'm going to get everything ready to serve dinner. Now, we love to put extra toppings in our chili. We like to use shredded cheese. You can use any flavor that you like, but we just use like cheddar. And then, of course, oyster crackers. And then we also love avocado, but I didn't have any for this meal. But typically, I will pick up avocado, and it's been like really expensive lately too. So that's why I didn't get it. And then we also like to put sour cream. So go ahead and, really load it up with all those extra goodies. It is so good, guys. But I just wanted to say that I am so grateful for you guys sticking with me. I know that it's been difficult for me to be consistent with my weekly postings. Like, I do get a video out once a week, but sometimes I run a couple days late. I am trying so hard to stay on schedule, which my schedule currently is every Monday at 5:30 a.m. to have a video up. Like I said, I'm trying so hard to stay consistent with that, but you guys, it is really challenging because obviously you guys know I have Jack and, the other kids. It's just a lot. There's a lot going on. I don't have anybody that helps me with this. This is totally me, myself, and I with my channel, which I love because it is, something that I enjoy doing. But, as mamas, we don't always get to do what we enjoy because priority is our kids and our home and our family. And there's a lot that goes into making these videos. But, I really appreciate all of you guys, and I know that you guys are holding me accountable. And because of that, I push harder, and I will continue to do that. And with time, I will become more experienced and more skilled, and, my pace will pick up and hopefully generate more videos on a weekly basis. So that is my overall goal. And I just want to thank you guys again for sticking with me, especially my True Blues. I love you guys. And I do have a special video going out by the end of this week. It should be up for next Monday's posting at 5:30 a.m. And it is the video I've been working on. If you guys have been following me over on Instagram, I've been talking about this video. It's a huge video. It's so meaningful to me, and I'm choosing to put myself out there because this is my why, my reason for starting this channel. And I just, want to show you guys like how much I do appreciate all of you, my subscribers. And I just always said I would be transparent with this channel. And that's how I, want to be with this space. I want to give you guys a real space you can come to and connect with me, especially my stay-at-home moms. You guys are the reason I did this. So yeah, just, make sure if you haven't already, please subscribe, click that notifications bell so you'll be notified when that video comes up. But yeah, again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation, and I hope you guys are able to take my recipe and enjoy it with your family as well. Again, thanks for watching. Love you guys, and see you in the next one.
Yesterday there was sun in